Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best tofu ever and the best vegan double chocolate chip gluten-free muffins. So let's hop right into it. So I'm starting off by slicing up some Yukon Gold potatoes because I love to have Yukon Gold potatoes when I make tofu. And I'm using my favorite seasonings, sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm going to drizzle some grapeseed oil over the top. And I'm adding them to a skillet on medium heat, and I'm just going to let them crisp up on one side. And once they begin to crisp up, just like this, I'm going to add some water, a little less than 1/4 cup. You don't need too much, you just want them to steam a little bit. And I'm going to cover them, let them cook on low-medium heat until they're nice and soft. And now I'm going to saute some onions, some red peppers, green peppers. You can use whatever peppers you want. And I'm seasoning them with some sea salt and some black pepper. And towards the end, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Nice generous amount. For the tofu, to make sure it's not mushy and to get it nice and firm, you want to put it between two plates like this and then put something heavy like a can of beans or a cast iron skillet on top for about 30 minutes, and that way all the water will drain out. So I chopped it into cubes, and I'm just sprinkling some sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder over the top. And I'm going to let it crisp up on each side. For our sauce, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of gochujang. You can find this in the Asian section of your grocery store. 2 tablespoons of agave. You can also use pure maple syrup. 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'm using a low sodium soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. A half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. A sprinkle of pepper and 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. And now I'm adding the peppers and onions onto the tofu and along with the sauce. And I'm just adding a little bit of sauce at a time because you don't want it to get too soggy or anything. And you can always add more at the top later. And I'm serving this with some rice. I'm telling you, you have to try this tofu. It's amazing! Now for these delicious chocolate chip muffins. These are so good, you guys. They taste like brownies and they're gluten-free and healthy, but don't taste healthy. So I'm adding in a half cup of sifted cocoa powder, 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of gluten-free flour. I just bought gluten-free flour from Target. You can use more oat flour if you like. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm just giving that a mix. In a separate bowl, I added a half cup plus 4 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk, a half cup of water, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and I put it in the microwave. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of agave or pure maple syrup, and 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm just combining it, and you just want to mix it until it's combined. You don't want to over mix it. And I'm adding in 1 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. And I'm using the Simple Truth chocolate chips, but I also like Trader Joe's dairy-free chocolate chips. And I ran out, so I have some dairy-free hazelnut chocolate that I chopped up, which is delicious. And I'm going to bake these at 350 for about 16 to 20 minutes. And there you go, delicious vegan chocolate chip muffins. This one looks like a smiley face. It's so cute. And I'm about to eat you. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you make these, feel free to tag me at NomNomToFitness on Twitter or on Instagram. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.